I will never panic sell a token again after learning this. This is gonna blow your mind. The future of money is less chaos, more plumbing. The future of money isn't coming, it's here. It's downloading. While everyone chases meme coins or get distracted by the latest news headline, 4 serious cryptos are building the financial operating system: Quant, Hedera, XRP, and Stellar. ISO 2022 is the global language update. Think of it as the OS banks finally agree to run. These 4 are the Avengers of utility crypto. XRP is already fluent. XLM is already fluent. Quant makes sure systems speak cleanly. HBAR makes sure systems speak quickly. Quant is the universal translator, the interoperability layer, middleware that lets all ledgers, blockchains, stablecoins, CBDCs, and banks communicate. No drama, just APIs that work. Hedera is big tech's calm, carbon-neutral chain, enterprise-grade, insanely fast, backed by Google, backed by IBM, backed by others. XRP is the liquidity engine, instant settlements, bank-ready rails. Ripple has a massive list of partnerships that stretch globally. Stellar is the humanitarian twin, cheap remittances, retail payments, inclusion for the unbanked. XRP moves the trucks, XLM moves the cars, Quant runs air traffic control, HBAR builds the roads. Final word, if crypto were a high school, XRP is the varsity athlete with corporate sponsorships. XLM is the honor student who tutors everyone and volunteers on weekends. Quant is the tech genius who built the school's entire computer system. HBAR is the quiet kid whose parents are all CEOs. These are the infrastructure and financial layer cryptos most likely to thrive in a regulated, institutional, multi-chain future. And in a few years, when the world is fully tokenized and your portfolio is looking healthy, you'll be able to say, I didn't just buy crypto, I bought the future's blueprint. Tokenization is the next internet moment. Trillions of dollars moving from paper to blockchain. These networks will enable tokenized stocks, tokenized real estate, tokenized commodities, CBDCs for some countries, stablecoins, corporate assets, identity systems, and supply chain tracking. Peace.